Yo guys, what is up? It is your boy Oscar here, or SFO here. Today I have some cooking education. So we got a water bottle right here, and we're gonna be making some G Fuel. G Fuel. Get the label there. Sponsor me. Okay. Anyways, we grab our cup. Bam. Fill that approximately 16 ounces of water in there, okay? Now I'm gonna take it. Now I'm just gonna get the scooper and the G Fuel. Get a nice scoop. Make sure you wanna fill it up to that line so there's enough powder to fill up that bottom capsule. And here's where you're gonna go in from a top look. Ooh, pouring that powder. Get my camera reset here, boys. Fix the hair. What's up, boys and girls? Like that back in there. Pow, cat. You know, you don't want to taste too powdery, or else you'll die. But then you see it's floating around in there. You can't see it. It's totally pitch black. Anyways, we're gonna take it and we're gonna shake it. Take it and shake it. Take it and shake it, baby. Take it and shake it. That's where you get to let out your anger. Ooh, I can dump it on my finger. Tastes good, that's what she said. That's a good strategy. Take your wrist, just flick around like that, alright? Pop it open. Wow. Really sensational. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Fat Bless, get yourself some gamer fuel. Use code ONI to get nothing at all anywhere. Please sponsor me. Later. SFONI, #GamerBoy out.